Hey guys, today we're going to open this flip racer car. Are you excited? Okay, so what color is your car?
Green.
Color green. Full function acrobat vehicle. So we're going to open your car. This is my car. Look at that color. This is color green. And look at these wheels. Yay! This is the remote control. So you have here the move forward, move backward, move to the right, and move to the left. Can you hold the remote, baby? What color is the remote?
Black remote. Car.
Car. What color is your car?
Green.
So you have here the on and off button. By the way, this is rechargeable. Wow! We're going out and we will try to play this car. Are you excited?
Yes. 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 Yay.
Like and
Subscribe.
subscribe. Alright.
Bye.
Bye.